If you are someone who is looking to learn Python and don't know how to start or where to get started or what to learn, we got it covered this 5 days Python bootcamp, and also we are going to cover the API concept. So if you are a beginner and if you don't know anything about coding, or if you know coding and if you know Python a little bit and you want to learn and apply it in real-time projects, okay, this Python bootcamp covers both the aspects. We will start with really very basic in the day one. We'll be learning about variables, operators, control statements, loops, functions, lists, and dictionaries. And also we'll be doing some mini project to-do list program. And in the second day we'll be also working with dictionary in a little bit deeper, where you'll be learning and creating inventory management system. Okay, and also you'll be learning about the file handling and introduction to JSON. On day number 3, you'll be learning about JSON file in deeper, and also we'll be programming our first API program, and you'll be developing 3 such programs with the help of API. On day number 4, we are going to use the real-time weather application with the help of Open Weather Map API, and we are going to generate the API key, and we are utilizing that. We are going to create a project. On day number 5, we are going to use the Google Developers Console and the Google Sheets API to access the Google Sheets from your Python code. You can read, access, and manipulate the Google Sheets from your Python code. All this just for 99 rupees, and it's a big deal, and we are selling this for 999, but only for this pre-launch offer we are made this 90% offer, and it's just 99 rupees. You can go and buy this, and it's going to be hands-on. We are also having bi-weekly Q&A session so that you can clear your doubts on live, right? So why are you waiting for? Go and buy this course and just kickstart your Python journey with 6 projects. So you're going to build 6 projects in just 5 days. All the best. Thank you.